Introducing Natural Nest, an ISO 9001 and HACCP certified company. Bird's Nest is an excellent restorative food with a sweet and calm character. It is good for any age or gender. According to Chinese literature, the bird's nest does have healing effects to post-stage tuberculosis, gastric ulcers, and bleeding of the lung. Besides, it can promote growth. The specific proteins have the main three functions. It stimulates the regeneration of cells, enhance cell-mediated immunity, and enhance the resistance of an individual to X-rated damage. This is the main reason that it has unmatched nutrition value. The bird's nest helps regulate the function of the endocrine system as well as other body functions. They strengthen the body, moisturize the skin, maintain beauty, provide energy, and enhance the metabolism of fat. In ladies, the frequent consumption results in fairer skin, helps to stay young and look radiant. For pregnant women, consumption during pregnancy will improve immune functions of the fetus, and the mother will be able to recover easily after giving birth. In men, it strengthens lungs and kidneys, improves spleen, as well as enhances appetite. In children, it enhances immune ability, not inclined to get colds or flu. And in elders, it improves kidney and strengthens lungs, so not inclined to get weak. We guarantee that all of our products contain no preservatives, no chemical, and no coloring, and 100% natural. And the big thing, we provide 100% money-back guarantee. For more information, log on to www.naturalnest.com today.